Want to get better at coding? It's not as daunting as you might think. The journey to mastery starts with a single step, and that step is understanding the basics. This is the foundation of your coding skills, the bedrock upon which everything else is built. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper without first laying a solid foundation. It would crumble under its own weight. The same principle applies to coding. Core concepts like variables, data types, loops, and conditionals are the building blocks of any coding language. But knowing these concepts is only half the battle. The real magic happens when you put them into practice. Regular practice helps cement these ideas in your mind, making them second nature. It's like learning a new language. The more you use it, the more you understand it, and the more fluent you become. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, so take your time, learn at your own pace, and don't rush the process. Building a solid foundation is the key to advancing in any coding language. So, you've got your basics down? Great. Now it's time to put those skills to work. Just like mastering a musical instrument or refining your cooking techniques, coding is all about practice, practice, and more practice. You see, coding isn't just about understanding the syntax or memorizing algorithms. It's about solving problems, and that's a skill that only improves over time and with consistent effort. There are numerous platforms out there that can help you on this journey. HackerRank, for instance, offers a wide range of problems from various domains of computer science. LeetCode is another great platform that provides a collection of challenges specifically aimed at preparing for technical interviews. And then there's Code Academy, a fantastic resource for interactive learning and practice. No matter where you choose to practice, the important thing is to keep coding. Over time, you'll start to see patterns, understand nuances, and develop an intuition for solving problems. Remember, the more you code, the better you'll get. Got stuck on a problem? No worries, the internet is full of resources. Ever heard of Stack Overflow? It's a platform where you can ask questions and get answers from experienced programmers. Think of it as your digital study group. And then there's GitHub, a treasure trove of open source projects. You can explore code written by others, understand their approach, and even contribute to projects. But that's not all. There are countless coding forums where you can engage in discussions, get feedback on your code, and learn from others' experiences. And if you're looking to learn new concepts, there are a plethora of resources at your disposal. Online courses, video tutorials, books, you name it. They cater to different learning styles, so you can find what suits you best. Remember, these resources aren't there to make your journey easy, but to make it possible. Don't hesitate to use these resources. They're there to help you. Think you're ready for the next step? It's time to dive into projects. You see, projects are the playground of the coding world. They're where you get to apply all that theoretical knowledge you've gathered and see it come to life right before your eyes. Working on personal projects offers a multitude of benefits. Firstly, they serve as a tangible reflection of your skills and knowledge. Potential employers love to see what you've been up to and what you're capable of creating. It's like a portfolio of your coding journey. Start with simple projects. It could be anything from building a basic calculator to creating a simple game. As your skills improve, gradually move on to more complex projects. This could involve creating a dynamic website or even developing a mobile app. Remember, the complexity of the project isn't what matters most. It's about applying what you've learned, problem solving, and improving along the way. Working on projects is the best way to apply what you've learned and gain real-world coding experience. Coding is not just about writing lines of code. It's about solving problems and being innovative. Picture it as a vast ocean of possibilities, where every wave brings fresh opportunities to learn and grow. Staying curious in this ever-changing digital landscape is not just a choice, it's a necessity. The world of technology is like a shapeshifter, continuously evolving, morphing into something new and exciting. It's like a never-ending story, and as coders, we're the authors, penning its future chapters. It's not just about keeping up with the latest trends and technologies, it's about embracing them, understanding them, and using them to push the boundaries of what's possible. It's about not being satisfied with what you know, but yearning for what you can learn. And remember, every great coder was once a beginner, just like you. They all started with that spark of curiosity, that thirst for knowledge. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep coding. Your journey to becoming a better coder starts now.